Allie from Allie Scraps, and I wanted to really quickly show you what is in the 7-Day Prayer Challenge prayer book. This is the book that comes with the physical kit, but you can also get it on Amazon, and it will come free 2-day shipping if you have Prime. So this is something, it's $4, I believe, on Prime. And so this is something that if you don't want the whole kit, if you missed out on the washi, if you just want something super simple, don't want any fluff or any digitals or anything like that, this is something really you can do really easily with the free emails, or if you just wanted to get started as soon as you get this, that's totally doable because this does have the prompts in it. So I wanted to do a really quick flip through of what you can expect from the prayer book. And this is a small version of the other prayer books that I have that are 6x9 and have the prompts on both sides of the page. And you'll see how those are similar in just a moment. But this is 5x8 and it's just tiny and cute and I just love it. And it is a thin book because, you know, 7 days of prompts, and then I did add some extras in the back, but I don't want this to be intimidating. I want you to be able to do 7 days of intensive prayer and see how your lives are changed. So let me flip through this really quickly. I did cover up the prompts just so you're not spoiled, but this just really quickly gives how to use this book and where to sign up for the free challenge. It has the prompt on one page with space for notes and reflections, and then this has the standard prompts that you're used to from my other prayer books. So it has the date, Lord, thank you for prayer requests, Lord, I need help with, and study this. I like that this usually lets me write down what God has on my heart to study, and then I can look back and remember. And so so for the first 7 pages, it has that same, so all of the prompts, and then this beautiful page that I envision coloring with my colored pencils. I'm super excited about that. And then it just has more of those simple prayer request prompts just for you to keep reflecting. And there's a bunch of those in the back. And that is really all it is. And so it's super easy to do, super fun, tiny. This fits in your purse. You can have, I think it's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to dive into this. Now, because I do also have digitals available with the challenge, and I had a bunch of goodies that were available as the physical kit, I am going to decorate this a little bit. I'm going to put some of the washi on the bottom. I'm going to add tabs to the side. I'm going to make this a little bit more fun, but you don't have to do that. I want this to be as easy as possible. If you want to get creative, you can get creative. If you don't have to. So I will leave links to all of this in the comments. Be sure to head over to alliescraps.com/7-day-prayer-challenge to sign up for the prayer challenge and get all the details. And please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I cannot wait to start praying with you.